a scum, all of you. You got no idea what you're starting.
You don't get it. The Falcone is done. Finished. Whoa!
We lost him once. Let's make sure we don't lose him again. Let's check it out! Over here! We need backup! What? Who got you, man? Talk to me. I see him, that... Damn! I see you up there! Die already! Guys! You guys see anything? You can't have gone far! I just saw something! He's gone! For real? I'll do this! Don't think I won't!
What do you want? I didn't do nothing.
Who's your boss? What does Penguin want with him?
Alberto Falcone, but I got no idea what Penguin wants with him, I swear.
Now, where were we? Candy.
You suggested little Alberto over here. Hey, baby. Tried to convince his father to take early retirement. He disagreed and called you a, let's see, psychotic little bastard.
No, please!
Now you best listen, Falcone. 'Cause this is the last time I'll ask. What are you gonna tell your father?
That we're getting out of the weapons business. I promise. I'll make him do it.
I see your lips flapping, Bernie. But they ain't making the sound I want to hear.
Uh-oh.
You idiots better kill me.
Please, don't hurt me!
It kills you. What are you waiting for? Kill him, you bloody wankers!
We gotta beat this guy!
Punch him in the face! Kick his ass, you numpty brats! Come on,
Time's up!
why I pay you ponces? Are you waiting for a personal invitation? What are you waiting for? Now hold on. Hold on a bloody minute! I ain't seen your act! I ain't done nothing you not done!
Black Mask, put a bounty on my head. Where is he?
I don't keep tabs on every geezer with a grudge. You're not a popular bloke in this town.
You're running out of time.
Wait. Lacey Towers. There was a murder. It was supposed to be his same house. But, Black Mask, he's got problems of his own, I'd say. Someone broke in there.
It appears the game is over before it even begins.
I'm not playing games, Slade. Tell me where I can find Black Mask.
Make no mistake, I'm killing you for the money, but that won't stop. A flawed technique. You'll need to be faster. No more. I am stronger, faster, better. You thought that would work? You cannot match me. Your restraint weakens you. I know you saw an opening, yet you didn't take it. Why? Did you not spot the opening I gave you? Try something else. Ready for more? Denied. And yet another opportunity you failed to explore. You have skills, but lack experience. Try something else. Your restraint weakens you. Stronger, faster, better.